Hi, good evening. I'm Jamil Ribon, an ordinary member of MMM, and I'm very happy to show you my dashboard because I request to get help. Um, I get help on October 31. So this amounting 3,500 coming from my bonus video, referral bonus. Yan, bonus video. Pero total of 3,500 pesos. So this is my sender, Miss Mary Ann. She provide me 3,500 to me. So I'm very thankful for your help, for give your financial assistance to me. So thank you, Miss Mary Ann. So this is already full check. So it means the sender sent already her payment. So thank you. Thank you, MMM, and thank you to the founder of MMM, Sir D. Mabrudi, and also to my manager, Sherwin Verdin. Thank you. And I encourage you all to join MMM and support the community, and together we change the world.